Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Disunga from I Can Change Project. Good evening sa lahat ng mga delivers natin sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagtatanong, nagko-comments. Thank you very much. Alright, so doon sa mga first time naman tayo mapanood sa aking YouTube, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. So, start na agad tayo sa ating vlog for tonight at magsalamin tayo. Ang title po natin ngayong gabi is How to Advance Your Business this weekend or every weekend. So, paano ba natin i-advance ang ating business? So, it's either yung business mo po ay full-time business mo yan o side job mo lang siya, meron kang small business. Paano ba natin gagamitin ang weekend para mas umabante yung ating business? Alright, so I have 3 tips. Number 1, to advance your business this weekend or every weekend, number 1 is meet possible or prospect clients. Ayan. So, kung meron kang mga possible clients, hayaan mo na mag-coffee. For example, yung business mo is, meron kang, you are providing services. So, i-meet mo na yung client mo, diba? I-meet mo yung prospect client mo, magkwentuhan kayo. Sabi mo, let's have a coffee. So, pag nagkukwentuhan kayo, yung kwentuhan nyo na yon, who knows, it will lead to one deal, diba? Or, pwede mo ring i-meet ang one of your possible suppliers. So, anybody, any person, na sa tingin mo, magiging part ng growth ng iyong business. Alright? So, for example, this Saturday, I'll be meeting one possible member of my I Can Change Project team. So, meron kaming bagong ilo-launch na business. So, isa something that connected to my YouTube channel. Yan, abangan natin yan. So, kasama ko siya, imimit ko siya this Saturday. So, that's one thing I will do this weekend to advance my YouTube channel, which I handle it or I deal with it as my business. Alright? So, next, ayan, every weekend din, post one promotional ads sa yung business. So, pwede kang magpagawa sa ibang, sa yung team o sa ibang tao, magbayad ka na lang. Then, i-post mo yan. If you have promo, if you have upcoming events, so samantalayin mo na yung weekends. Why? Kasi pag weekend, ayan yung time na lahat ng tao, siguro ilang percent, nasa nasa social media yan. So, ang dami makakabasa, di ba? Kahit magbayad ka na ng, ng ads mo. Like in my case, I'm paying certain amount. Yung nagagawa po na aking mga poster na pinopost ko sa aking FB page at FB account. So, pinopost natin yan every weekend kasi alam ko marami makakabasa niyan, di ba? So, try to think of how are you going to promote your business every weekend. Pwede ang ads, pwedeng poster, pwedeng short video. And the third is how to advance your business this weekend. Ayan, take time to study similar business. So, kahit hindi business na nandiyan sa paligid mo, o kahit competitor mo, so, aralin mo, mag-search ka sa internet, so, baka pwede meron tayong i-adapt na isang strategy. So, if you have coffee shop, so, alamin mo ano yung coffee shop sa paligid mo, then, bakit ang dami nilang sales every Friday, ano ba yung mga promo nila. So, try to learn, try to scrutinize or investigate one similar, okay? Similar business, then try to adapt kung ano yung pwedeng i-apply sa iyong business. Kahit hindi similar business any business na tingin mo gumawa ng strategy, so pwede mo yung i-adapt sa iyong business. Okay? So, kasi pag weekend po, meron tayong time to, meron po tayong time para pagbasa, mag-search sa internet, o kaya mag-observe, mag-travel, tingnan na iba-ibang business, di ba? Alright. So, yan yung ating 3 simple ways to advance your business this weekend. So, ulitin lang natin, meet possible clients. Number 2, post promotional materials to promote your promo or your business itself. And take time to study one similar business. Alright, so, delivers, please share this video do sa mga friends natin na alam mo may business para matulungan natin na it's either full-time business ba yan o side job niya lang. Alright, so, thank you very much, delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!